So I'm just doing a quick update on these peach trees here, guys, that we pruned earlier. As you can see, the flowers haven't done what the flowers need to do, and hopefully we'll get some fruit off it this year. And you can see that it's now starting to green up and get some leaves, and we are well into our season now of hopefully producing some fruit. Tree 1, this was tree 1, and this was tree 2, both looking glorious. And you can see how I kind of have taken all of the middle out, so there's a nice little gap in the middle here, and everything is kind of going outwards. And so that'll create space in the middle for airflow. They are probably going to be too big for me to net again this year. Same on this one. You can probably see it better from this angle. How I've got the trunks going outwards and nothing right in the middle of the base here, or growing inwards. And that is the pear tree. I was just underneath it, and hopefully you can hear it really well. But it sounds like there's just a whole swarm of bees in there, and it's just so glorious to see the fruit trees in full bloom. You know what? I like rain. I like when it rains. But I don't like when it rains when I literally have a 2-hour window that I can get out here and not have to do something in the house, or I have to take someone to TAFE, or I have to do a video. But look at this. And at that couple of minutes, so probably in the 10 minutes it took me to take a barrow and a half of compost in, the sky has started to open up on me. So I'm not going to get anything done out here again in the garden. Guys, this is what August, September and the beginning of October, because today is the 11th of October, has been like. 1 minute sunny, the next minute we are raining, and we need to get our equipment out of the rain, and myself, because I don't want to get sick. So I'll try this again tomorrow. Look at that. Those are my fruit trees. Even the cats are running for the inside. They think that I'm going to open the door. No, we'll go to the dog door instead. They are not happy about getting wet. Oh, poor Gussie. I am still getting wet standing here. I have a roof with a big hole in it, and I'm standing underneath it. Let's go inside and do some videos. Alright guys, so as you can see here, I did finally find a day with some sun that I could actually get out and finish sort of sorting out climbing bean patch here. Now guys, I'm going to do a short video on what I've done in here so that you guys can just see what I've done, but I'll put that video up at some other stage. But yeah, so just keep an eye out. Don't forget, if you don't hit the subscribe button and the dinger bells down below, you are going to miss out on all of these upcoming videos. So for those of you that have seen the videos of melon ball patch here, this is going to be a little bit of an update here. It is now the end of October, and I did plant these in. I thought I had done them a little bit early, but by the looks of them, some of them are doing really well. And as we can see, This is what I was worried about, was the snails demolishing them off as little tiny babies. So the fact that I'm out here quite early this morning, the snails are still active. I am going to give these guys a check over. I have also brought up a few more seeds with me to plantings. As you can see in this one, this is supposed to have 4 pumpkins, and I've currently only got the 2 pumpkins, and I think it was a zucchini or yellow squash that went into this garden bed. I can't quite remember. The retic, as you can see, is going in. It is still not connected up, but this row here and this row here are connected, but these 2 are still in pieces. I'm still yet to do them. And I am working up here on the new retic stand, and it is looking really good. That is also not quite ready, but it will be there soon. So like this one here, this is supposed to have the 4 watermelons. It currently only has the 2, so I'm going to pop in some more seeds in here to get the required amount of plants that I need. So I'm just going to check each of these and do the same thing, and give them a check out for the snails. So I'm super proud of myself, guys. I have now finally got the main part of the system up here on this board here. The board is temporary. I'm going to find something at a later date that is not going to be bothered by the rain and the weather when that comes through, but for now this will do the job. I have also got the reticulation over in melon ball up and running, so I am now able to actually water all the seedlings in there, and I have also put in the extra seeds, and hopefully they will grow as well. So, but some other things I've gotten up into during October is I have gotten some strawberries out of the garden. They were so delicious and sweet and yummy. Some other things I've been doing, guys, is editing videos for preserving with Mumma Bear, and one of those happens to be using my preserved lemons. So I will have been baking some yummy lemon stuff as well. So if you head on over to Preserving with Mumma Bear or Cooking with Mumma Bear, you will see what the lemons are preserved, and if I have already got them videos up yet, if I have, not sure whether they'll be up when you hear or see this, some different ways that I'm cooking with my lemons as well. But go down to into the description and you'll find the links for those other 2 channels, and head on over there, and that's where you'll find what I cook with my preserved foods, and or what I am preserving for this upcoming season. Guys, thanks for joining me here again in the garden for an update for October. Hopefully November we will actually start seeing some more plants going into the ground. It has been a very slow start to the season with all of the weeds I'm trying to get out, the grass I'm trying to keep under control, and the weather has just been unpredictable from day to day, as well as you have seen over the last couple of months. Don't forget, you can go back and check out the last couple of months on what I've been doing. You will find those in the playlists as well, and maybe I might even link one up on the side here for you to check it out as well. Alright guys, till I see you in the garden again, happy gardening. What's going on back there, Bear? You've been played with your tail.
That sounds weird.
Oh, he's back. Oh, ready.
Dumbass. I had no food, so we went off to
No.